Today, I'm going to show you how to schedule maintenance on your vehicle in Shift. So when you first log in, you're going to want to go to Fleet, and then select the vehicle you'd like to schedule maintenance on. Let's go with this Acura. So we click on that. Then we click on Maintenance, and click this plus here. From here, we can enter in all of the required information to create this order. So I'll do that and I'll cut to when I'm done. All right. So I filled out the required fields, which are marked with an asterisk, and now all I have to do is click Save. So a new maintenance order has been made. If I scroll down to here, I can see my history of maintenance orders, and I can see a new one at the top for November 23rd, 2025. Now to view and update my order, all I have to do is scroll down to maintenance and then click work orders. And from this page, I can view all of my active and previous maintenance requests. And we can see that my new order is at the very top here. And if I click on it, I can update it with whatever information is necessary. For example, once it's done, I can set the status to completed, and maybe I can update the location to 123 Test Street. Then go down here and just click Save. And that's all you need to know to create and manage maintenance requests in Shift.